Hey everyone, welcome back. So, I'm here with another product review today. This is another hot chocolate here. It isn't focusing. Okay. So, it's from a company named Wakefield. Wakefield. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'll just call it Wakefield. This is apparently, I don't know, maybe it's a British company or it could be Indian. I haven't researched it. So, anyways, this is a hot chocolate powder, as you can see. And let's talk about the packaging first. This one came in a bottle, a plastic bottle. And this is it's not really a good quality packaging because you see it's got these two openings. One is for the spoon, you can use a spoon in it, and the other one is perforated. See all these holes here. Let's see if the spoon fits in. By the looks of it, I guess your spoon's got to be quite small to fit in. My spoon's large. Yep, it fits in, but I'm not sure. If I go into scoop some powder, then I don't think I'll be able to get any powder in my spoon. So there's that. And the reason I said the packaging is not good is because I'll show you a close-up here. See, can you see these white lines here? Yes, these are stress marks, not stretch marks, stress marks. So apparently, if I open and close it enough time for a lot of times, then the plastic, it will just snap right off. That's why the quality of this part isn't good. Rest of the packaging, it's pretty neat. I don't know how, but I can smell the chocolate from here, even though it's sealed tight. See, nothing. I can still smell it. Let's talk about the ingredients now. This one's got here sugar, cocoa, edible common salt, nature identical and artificial flavoring substances, chocolate and vanilla flavor. Alright. And this one bottle or one jar, it cost me 65 rupees. It's 100 grams. It's good enough. Considering the packaging, the price is fair enough. Alright. I'll break off the seal now. See, it's pretty challenging to even break the seal off, and I'm not sure how the aroma is still leaking out of this. Come on. Even though it's plastic inside. Awesome. That's what should have happened. Oh, finally, after so much struggle, I finally tore it off. Wow, the aroma is pretty intense. The chocolate powder itself is pretty light colored. It isn't dark. It doesn't look like dark chocolate at all. I'll show you. Okay. See, it's pretty light. It's light brown. Now I'm gonna taste it. First I'll taste the powder itself, then I'll make a drink out of it. Wow. This one's got a unique taste, a unique flavor. I'd say this one's better than the previous two products that I have reviewed. I like this one a lot more. Wow. I mean, yes, it does taste like chocolate, obviously, but it's not particularly dark, neither it is bitter. It's got a fair amount of sugar in it, so that makes it sweet. It means I won't have to externally add any sugar in the hot chocolate drink. Overall, I like it because it leaves a really good aftertaste in my mouth. Even after I'm done sucking it, I don't know. That's how I put it. I mean, it's been a few seconds. I guess it's been 30 seconds since I've eaten it all, and I can still feel the aftertaste. So yeah, it's good to eat. Good for eating without mixing it in anything. Good for eating it by itself. So now I'm gonna go down and I'll make a hot chocolate out of this powder. See ya in a while. Okay, I'm here with my drink. Finally, it's ready. Wow, can see. Wait a minute. Looks like this. Pretty basic, like every other chocolate drink. The color, it's I don't know, pretty basic, light. No, it's not that dark, not like dark chocolate as I had expected from the powder itself. My hair's terrible. Okay, moving ahead. It also strangely does not produce any aroma. I mean, I'd have expected it to at least smell good, but it does not it does not produce any smell, any aroma of chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it now. Wow. What it cannot do with aroma, it makes up for with its flavor. I'd give it that much. Oh, gotta say, this is pretty delicious. What happens is, as soon as I take a sip, the flavor immediately explodes. The chocolate flavor, it immediately explodes in my mouth. Just spreads out everywhere instantly, and I get this sweet chocolatey flavor. It's delicious. Oh ho ho ho. What I did was, I added 3 tablespoons as usual, without adding any sugar. So that's it. It was water, milk powder, and the cocoa powder, Wakefield cocoa powder. Oh, I'm gonna feel pretty guilty after emptying this entire mug. It's pretty big actually. It's large quantity. Okay, I'll finish it later. So that was it. Today's product was Wakefield drinking chocolate. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel and like this video. That's all I had to say. So yeah, thanks again. See you later.